Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to talk about another rarely asked question. Tell me something about you that you don't want anyone to know about you. So in order to answer this question, we need to know that actually this question is pretty similar to tell me about your weakness. You can just let them know something unimportant to you. You can just let them know some minor flaws of yours. So for example, you can just tell them that my cooking sucks. So the food, so my families, my wife and my kids don't like the food I cook for them, especially the flavors is really bad. So you can just let the interviewer know something like that, and or you can just say that I have nothing about that in my mind. I have no such a experience to share with you. So that's it. And if so, any of those answers should be good to answer these questions. Now I'm going to give you my answer. Actually, it's also the same answer as for the question. Tell me about your weakness. Okay, Dr. Cui, can you tell me that if there's something that you don't want to let anybody know? Actually, uh, I personally cannot give you a good answer for that. But one thing I would say that I don't want to people know that sometimes I overestimate myself a little bit, and you know that in the last year. I did a lot of things. In the daytime, I need to work in the lab, and then in the evening, I need to take turns with my wife to look after our 1-year daughter. And in the weekend, I also teach my students in China on their research and the clinical knowledge. And also, I I uh, I complete all of the USC exams, step 1, step 2, CKey, and try to match last year. Well, I I postponed OUT test, and I didn't get my certificate until early February this year, which is too late to get matched in last season. So based on this experience, I learned that I cannot push myself too hard, and I need to prioritize. So you can see that in this year, I completed step 3 and also got my certificate, and also uh, completed 4-month hands-on clinical rotation. And so I think I should be ready to match this year. So in this experience, as I mentioned, I learned that don't push myself too hard, pace myself. Um, and also learn how to prioritize. Always put the most important thing on my top list. So that's what I learned, and I would say that. So this experience I can share with you. So actually, in my answer, I just convert the question from that one to tell me about your weakness. So I just apply the answer uh, for the question, tell me about your weakness to this question, and actually I also told the interviewer what I learned from this experience, and also add a reflection like um, how to pace myself, learn how to prioritize, something like that. And I think that's it. So hope you will also you can also create your own answer based on your own experience. And it's actually, it seems too difficult to answer this question, but it's a pretty straightforward, and you can just or if you you really don't have anything to share with the interviewer, you can just tell them that you have nothing, and you have nothing to see, and you have nothing about that experience in your mind. So that's it.